Yo, we are live. Let's go. Can you guys hear me? How's it going? How is it going, people? Okay, we are finally live. Nice. We are live. On it. Live. Let's go. Mega Money Mondays. Mic check. Good. Is the quality good? Stream quality good? Great. Awesome. Good to hear. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Who's in the chat, boys? Anyone in the chat? Come on, I think we got a pretty exciting day. Pretty damn exciting day, I believe. How were we, by the way, in Friday? Friday was a little bit nasty. Friday action was definitely nasty as shit. Very nasty. Alright, let's wait for some people to come in. Let's go. Let's see how today will be like, boys. How's everyone doing? How's your weekend? How was your weekend, everybody? By the way, for the rest of the week, I will be busy with real life stuff, so I will not be streaming or trading this week. I will leave it for next week. That's a quick update. Who's in the chat? Hey, Angela Villa. Hey, everyone, look at that. She's in the chat first. First person in the chat today. Let's go. Hey, how's it going? How's your weekend? Weekend was good? Let's go stream. Yeah, let's go, chat. Let's go. Let's get it. I'm gonna make my camera a little bit larger, but when the market opens, I'm gonna shut off my camera. I don't need it. It lags my computer. But very soon I will be having a freaking new computer. Stick around for that. Maybe I'll post a video about the opening of my computer. Yeah, very exciting times. We're gonna start a plan in 1 minute. In a few seconds. Just 10 more seconds until 25 minutes. Until 3 o'clock 25. So let's go. Let's begin the plan already. Let's see. What do we expect for today? We had a pullback on the daily chart. 748 right there. Now definitely we're looking bullish. Looking very, very bullish. And on the 15-minute chart we look like there's a potential push. Got above that 800 area. We want to see this push above the view up here. See some buyers come in on Delta. You know, we're holding. Delta's holding still. We see this go, go, go. We have a tiny gap to open on the QQQ. Tiny gap to the upside here. Close on the ES as well. ES still below the view up. Nasdaq pushing right above it. So we need the ES to catch up. You know, the ES is... The Nasdaq doesn't lead the ES. It's actually the other way around. The ES leads the Nasdaq. So what I'm expecting here maybe is a bullish day. Considering what we got on... Hopefully we don't get stuck here at the 22s. We want to turn the 22s into resistance. unless, you know, if we get back below the 800s, then, you know, it might waterfall down there, back below this pivot point. But I'm looking to create a support above this 22 area, above this 822s, as it also looks very, very bullish. So I would be inclined to take longs mostly, you know, mostly like long positions. So we got 4 minutes left. You got the idea. The idea is, you know, we push above the 822s, turn that to support, then I'd be looking for a long. If we dump back below the 800, I'll be looking for a short. But obviously we need a follow-up from the ES as well, for both ways. Short or long, we need a confirmation. So, I'm gonna shut down my camera. 3 minutes, we got the market open. 3 minutes, boys. 3 minutes and the market is opening. So I'm gonna shut down my camera and let's see how it is. I mean, the ES, you got the ES here, the 2-minute chart on the ES right there. I don't think I need a volume. There you go. I don't think I need a volume on the ES to see it. The Nasdaq does have a lot of volume here. Look at these. The volume profile shows 800 resistance. 800. Very much volume at the 800 right there. There's a huge spike. So, let's see. What will we do? What will we do? What will we do? This was actually a pretty neat opportunity here. Right here. Pretty good long. That's the way I see it. Good long here. I'll pay attention more to the 850 tick chart. Very, very interesting to see. You know. Alright, everyone's good, doing great in the chat. Alright, good to know. Alright, who else is in the chat? Drop a comment, don't be shy. And let's begin. Let's begin. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Good luck in your trades. Don't be stupid, by the way. Don't do stupid stuff. Be patient. Be patient. ES though. ES looks like, as you can see, the ES looks like this downtrend type of. I mean, the VWAP at the ES, if the ES gets stuck at the VWAP, you know, I want to see some, yeah, again, we're at the 22s pretty much right now on the Nasdaq. So again, if the ES gets stuck, we get down there into the 700s, we flow down there into the 700s, then I would expect for the Nasdaq to follow up as well. So I need to be very attentive towards that. So 50 seconds in market opens. I'll have to be very careful about this. We need to push above the 22s, like previous place where we got previous place where we got rejected. Previous place. That was the previous place where we got rejected. And if we push above it, turn it back into resistance, I'll be looking for another long. I'll be looking for a long opportunity. But if this starts like to crash down, if the ES starts crashing down, it's gonna drag the Nasdaq with it. So yeah, take the trades that have very high probabilities of working out for you. Let's get it. 10 seconds till the market opens. Be patient. No trades. We need a setup. We don't have that pre-market setup to be able to take a trade. But yeah, you get it. Come on. Bang. Market's open. Yes, pushing through. We got previous levels of resistance here. Let me see here. We got 711. Looking at the ES a lot. The ES is really, really important. Come on. It's pushing nicely, but it's not that, you know, it's not something eventful, you know. This is only 13 points, but you know, not something that eventful. I keep watching. I'm going on trading view right now. Watching. Buyers are stepping in. That's what I'm seeing. It's a good sign. Buyers are stepping in very, very hard. We want to see that retest in the 23s there. Gonna buy 2 here. Gonna set my order. As long as the ES doesn't dump, well, I think we're good. But I need to see this coming back down here from the 40s. That's 20-point pullback. But you know how we roll, boys. That would be a 35-point ripper. But yeah. Definitely want to see a back here. I'm keeping my order here in case I get filled. Well, I mean that's 849s. ES going straight up. No trades, just an order here. Come on, bro. So bad to take a trade when you have this type of action. It's like there's nothing happening. It's just going straight up, literally. Literally. Literally straight up. Holy moly, I don't get anything about this. Anticipation was correct, we just haven't got any setup. Oh my days, brother. Oh my days. Please pull back already, dude. This is so annoying. It's so annoying. Let me actually see. What do we have in here? Where could we pull back? Cannot even pull back because it's going straight up. Like, what the frick is this? What is this trash? This is the major turning point here, boys. This is like a major turning point. The market has to like slowly pull back. If we're gonna do it, we have to do it back to the 22s. I don't care. I need to see this. I want to see this pull back. There's no way I'm entering. There's no way I'm taking a long right there. Right there when the market is trashing. Bruh. Where are we? Oh, pulling back. Nice. I need a place for this to pull back. Don't just... I want this to pull back all the way here. 22s. Depends on what the ES is doing. Come on. Come on. Watch here, see if we can depends where we're gonna have a turning point. This would be a bull flag. I'm gonna take this off. Try a long. Gonna let it do its thing by going up there maybe. Where are we going? High of day. Oh, high of day, it's a target. Ooh, ooh. Stop right below the lows there. Yes, needs to go though. Aiming for that high of day, I'm gonna just drag my stop right at the break even. Right at break even. We got lots of resistance up there. We just need to like keep on going. Go, go, go. You know what we're talking about? Just go, go, go. Maybe, you know, let my stop just there. 3-point stop. Keep fidgeting my stop loss here. I don't want to move it more into risk, so I'm just gonna hold it there in case it stops me out. Okay, stopped out. Stopped out for a $9 profit. For a $9 loss. What is this trash? Okay, now maybe we get the better pullback here. Do we get it? Because here it's a pretty good place to get long. Really good. Here, right there. Come on. On 11 points more. Gotta stop out break even. Come on. We just gotta keep on dumping a little bit more. At least in the 25s. Come on, dump it there in the 25s at least. There it is. See? Be patient. Be patient for it. You know, it's worth trying a shot there, but you know. There it is. Come on. That's it. Nice, 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 nice. I don't want to I don't want this to continue to dump. Yes, it's holding. Gonna try it. Gonna try it. All the way up there. And I'll set my stop in the 20s. Maybe even target up there for a little bit more profit. I think this now has a chance to go. Up there, maybe in the 70s. Extra few points. This will look great. The ES has to keep ripping. And now I'm gonna move my stop break even. Watching non-stop the 3-minute chart here. See if we can actually keep going and not just fake it. Stop in the 25s. The risk is I keep moving my stop because I don't want to like leave. I don't want to stop me out, break even, and then keep going. But also, I also don't want to see this go back below this area. So I'll just keep my stop there. I just gotta stop touching the stop loss. Let it do its thing. Gotta get above the 50s, into the 60s, and into the 70s. ES keeps going. ES keeps going. As long as the ES keeps going, we're fine on the Nasdaq as well. Holding my trigger. Let it work. Let it work out, boys. Let it work out. Let it work out. We're fine. We just gotta keep going through the 55s there. moving my stop here to guarantee to lock in profit. Just do it. We're halfway there, halfway to the take profit. Absolutely going. ES going. ES is absolutely going. We gotta keep on. We gotta go on the Nasdaq as well, and not lag it. Come on. Come on, brother. Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck, brother. Keep it ripping up there. Oh my days. Finally, we're going. Oh my god, what was that? We broke out. Come on. Come on. Take me out there. 70s. 70s. I'm gonna just keep it lower here. 69s. I'm happy with that. Holy moly. Holy moly. Up there into the 70s, dude. I really don't want to get greedy. Gonna just keep it there, drag my stop there. There you go, stopped out. Beautiful trade. Holy moly. Whoa. What was all that, man? How many minutes? 10 minutes again. Oh my days. What a winner. What a winner, boys. Who saw that trade, boys? Who saw that bloody trade? 63s. Actually, yeah, the trade was right there. Yeah. Look at it. Now it's going 70s. Right after you exit, it's always that little crap. Look at that. Kept on going, got the full piece almost. '63s, let out about 7 points on the table, but I think I'm happy with it. I bought 31, sold 63s. Got it for a nice $115 profit. $115 profit to start off the week. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. 10 minutes, man. Oh, man, that was that really tested my nerves for a second, dude. That really tested my nerves. And now we're going to the high of days. Told you, if the ES, I'm looking for a freaking, we talked about this setup at open, remember? We said, retest this area. The 24s, maybe 22s, retest the 22s, up there. Pfft. Made money based off of that setup. Come on, now it's probably gonna push at the high of day. 76 up there. I mean, look at the ES, perfect, bang, 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 going, everything going up. Oh my days, bro, this trade really this trade seriously tested my patience here. I mean, I let out, I kind of like exited prematurely, but I was like, do I really? You know, I could have let it for the half day to run up there, but, you know, should have, could have, would have, you know, I should maybe start practicing my patience. Yes, definitely start to practice my patience. As you can see, largest losing trade, 7 bucks, largest winning trade, 63. 63 per contract, so I basically scored $115. ES also, perfect long here. There you go, pushing up their high of day. Took it off for 30 points. How much is it? 31 to the 63, 32 points maybe. Something like that, yeah, 32 points. Look at that. Maybe heading up there 900s. I mean, dude. You couldn't have had it better. I exited, I am kinda not so happy, and there's one reason. I exited a little bit. I don't like my exit here. Maybe I wasn't enough patient for that because it kept going even after that. Yeah, definitely it's time for me to practice my patience. It's time for me to actually like practice my patience and let my winners run. But yeah, I mean, we scored pretty big trade, $115. 100 freaking 15. We are up pretty much $200 on the account. Yo, my days, bro. Oh my god. Right now, time to sit out. I mean, I'm pretty happy with what I got, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna check the charts again. We're at the all-time highs again. All-time highs right there, 888s. Like we talked about. The market, I said the market will go up. The market did go up, boys. It went up already. Let's go. Happy. So happy. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Let me show you guys. Look at this shit. Look at this bad boy. I mean, right now, no trades will be taken. So I'm going to just exit the broker. And I'm going to switch my charts here. I think I'm happy with today's profits. So I'm just going to take it and walk away. $115 profit. Alright, let's get it. As for the plan, watch this. Look at the 5-minute chart, boys. We talked about this level here where we rejected the 22s. I see that level. We rejected, we dumped back down. We talked about this. Push through it, retest the 22s. What did we do? On the dot, we retested the 22s, pushed up there to the 70s and higher. Come on. You couldn't have had this better. 22 retests. So happy I took that trade. Nasdaq. Everything. Come on. Retest the 55s. Right now, basically the principle is the same. Retest the 56s. That area. Somewhere there. Yeah. 56. 56s and you probably would take another long. But right now, the ES sitting there at the highs. I'm not really sure. We closed the gap on the QQQ. Closed the gap on almost on the ES as well. W's in the chat. W's in the freaking chat. Let me turn on my camera there. W's in the chat. I mean, come on. 10 minutes, almost 11 minutes held on that trade. Those 10 minutes, they lasted, to me, they felt like an eternity. I'm not gonna lie. Right there, come on, 55s. Maybe I should set my, maybe I should indeed set my, limit orders instead of just market ordering it. That would be sick. Right now you'd watch for another long, but right now, bro, I'm so happy with what I got. I'm not even kidding. So happy. So happy. And now basically the same concept. Retest the 55s. Keep going up. Keep going up. Maybe create new all-time highs. Who knows? We're at the all-time highs here. Be careful. But looking good so far. I mean, come on. 58s right there at the 58s. There, right there. I mean, come on. This might be another ripper. This literally will probably be another ripper. I mean, look at this. If I were you, I would set my target in the 76s. 76s there, boys. Oh my days! Look at that! Oh, on the dot, boys! I'm literally calling the moves again. I'm literally calling it. Calling it out, boys. So good. So good. Look at that. 76s. Oh my god. If you got long 60s again, got long at the 60s, test the EMA right there. Everything just looks perfect for pushes. Now, boys. Yo, I have a couple news for you though. Since we're at time highs again, you know what I'm planning to do. We are gonna make fat money when this starts to pull back. When this will really pull back, something like here. Like here. We'll really make money. Because remember, all-time highs are a very good place to not just get long, but mostly to get short. You don't short the highs, but you wait to see when is it gonna pull back. It gives you that pre-market setup, you know. You see that massive bear flag on the hourly or the 50-minute chart, and you play on that short. You don't just get short here just because it's at the all-time highs. No, we wait for it to break the structure to the downside, get back below the 800s, give us a sign that you want to go test the 652s. I literally called out the markets for last week and right now as well. Called it out like, I don't know, man. I don't know, but how can you have it better than this, right? I mean, there it is, setup, playing out as we talked about at open. I'm gonna turn on some music, turn on some good music, and I'm gonna come back in 10 minutes. All right, I'm gonna just look for some music. I'm gonna let the charts play out on the 5-minute chart and 50-minute chart right there, so that you see the bigger image. By the way, change the contract size, boys. Change the contracts. We're in the December contracts. Like I said, yeah, trading is a video game. It's an entire video game. You don't know what you're gonna do. If you don't know how to play the game, you better start learning. It's a game of emotions. It's a game of, you know, who can be more patient, who can be less patient. Another 35 points, imagine. Imagine. Playlists. Gonna just give myself a nice, good music. Okay. Look at that. See? Told you. Retest the highs here. Same principle. Get. Bro, the fact that this ripped. Is it another 35 points? That was almost. Almost. Oh my days. Damn, boys. I'm predicting the markets like shit here, bro. So good. So happy. Damn these ads. Who saw that trade live, bro? Who saw it, bro? Come on, who saw that trade live? I'm gonna shut down the camera so that you guys can see. Alright, nice. We're vibing. Let's go. 10 minutes, boys. Ask your questions in the chat. 10 minutes, and I'll be right back. Yo, people, what's up? So, for today, we're locking in the bag, and for the rest of the week, unfortunately, I will not be able to go live. And I apologize for that, but I have some real life issues and stuff to solve. So for the rest of the week, I will not be live, and I will not be trading either. I'm sad as well, but unfortunately, it is what it is, and so we might leave it for next week. So, great start to the week. Happy to lock in the profit. And I'll see you guys next time for the next live stream. Be patient, be smart.